Hello! We are on our way to the hair shop to get new extensions for my do. Tonight I'm having all of my extensions removed and I want to have longer hair for my trip to Miami that I leave for tomorrow night, which is really crazy. Everything is so last minute. I just wanted to show you the process, what it's like for me from time to time when I don't have my hair girl to help pick out the perfect colors. Come on. So we have just arrived at the hair shop in Hollywood, and you do not need an appointment right now to come here, but Kendall and I are gonna go in and get my hair Miami ready. Let's go. Okay, so we just got to the hair shop and I will take off my sunglasses. We have to do hand sanitizer and masks in here just to keep everything perfectly sanitary and safe for everybody in the big city. But come on, let's go find some hair. This is where the real magic happens. Lashes, keratin tips. We have tapes and full frontal wigs. For my trip to Miami, I'm just gonna do long tapes. It's the most cost effective for me.
So you were looking for tape ends, yeah?
I sure am.
Do you want 18s, 22s, you want like really long?
Usually I do super long.
Yeah, so these are going to be your 22s. I'll show you these ones. And then I'll show you an 18 too.
And you guys don't do you guys don't do 20s anymore?
No.
Oh man, I would have wanted the 20s.
I know. Do you have a stylist? If you like a little trim.
Oh yeah, she's gonna do it.
Yeah.
It's Ashley Marie Color.
Okay,
She comes here often.
Yeah. You want to probably go with the 22s and cut it just in case.
I wonder if I have 18s in now. 18 is cute.
Put it up a little higher.
There?
Yeah.
What do you think? Obviously this isn't the color that I would buy, but they have all the colors here. That's kind of nice.
Nice, yeah. It's very long but natural long. Not like super long. It's more of a natural.
Let's do how many for a full head?
Depends. Do you like a lot of hair? Like how many do you normally do?
I don't remember.
3 packs, but ours are in 3s. So you would need at least 10 to 12
Packs.
Yeah. So how's your hair? Is it pretty thick?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's fine, but medium density.
So I always recommend 10 to 12 packs. If
Perfect.
you open up the package, you could bring it in before 30 days. But
we'll do 12 packs.
Yeah, and then if you need to bring the other 2. So we like the 18 inches. Now let's look at the color.
I wish I was this blonde. That would be so much fun.
Do you like to add some dimension in there too?
This one looks a little bit too orangey to me. Do you have anything that's rooted? So right now I'm asking for a rooted extension because my hair is actually really dark. So this would be kind of what rooted looks like. It starts dark at the top and it gets lighter. She looks like she has 18s or 22s in. Oh, I love this one.
Yeah, so that's going to be a rooted one. If you want to go ahead and look at that in the mirror, you can see that one.
That must be it.
Super pretty.
Do you have anything a little darker?
Yeah, so the next one,
like if I tone down?
This one. Well, we do have an 1822, which I'll show you that one. An 1822 is going to be a little bit more ashier.
Oh yeah, could I see that? Have any good lashes? I secured the bag. This is the best. Miami bound, here we come. Long blonde hair. Let's go. Let's go. And just like that, we're good. Oh, ooh. Hopefully there's not lipstick everywhere. Anyway, thank you for coming to get hair with me. That was so much fun. I can't wait to show you how I transform. Make sure you like this video and subscribe here or here or here or here or here or there. Yeah, see you soon.